Hey, this is the DIY Magician, and we're back with another How to Create Upcycled Puppets. And now we have a witchy cat, or a cat witch, or let's leave it at that. There he is, or there she is, or whatever. It's a black cat. It's a Halloween type item. And watch as we do the show for you. Look at this. Spooky pals, spooky people. I think it's going around. Yeah, the monster show. Spooky sounds. Spooky people. Like to boogie down. Oh, let's do it again. It's the same thing. Okay, that's it. This one here should go pretty fast. We'll see if it does. It's a little cat. It's got some really wild eyes. The eyes might be used for something else. But I'll tell you what, it looks like the cat is just glued on. So if I pull a little bit on the legs and remove the pressure on that glue. It's a dandy, by the way. A dandy. And again, there we go. I think dandies are pretty easy. I think once I get this done, it's going to just smoothly turn into a puppet. Just like that. Lickety split. You ready? Here we go. Dandies are so easy. It's that easy. Look at that. Dandies! All right. Now, there was, were these eyes glowing? Let me try this again here. Did I remove the batteries? I did not. So let's try here. Oh, right here on the cheeks. Little red lights. I don't know if you can see them. But I guess at night, like on Halloween or something, if you had this out. Hey, that looks like a little ghost like that. Wow, put a couple eyes on it. That's pretty cool. Just on its own. But I'll tell you what, I'm going to touch the button again apparently. Hang on. Remove some of that. Took the goblins to the monster show. Oh, sorry. Hold on. I'm almost done. I almost got the switch button. There we go. Hold on. It's always good to try and save the button if you can. If you can. The dandies, of course, are just hot glued on there. So I just have to do that. And out comes the button. Spooky people. Okay, so that's that. And now if I want to use, well actually again, remember dandies, they hot glue everything. So I think if I pull at the right spot, that light will just pop right off the... There it is. See? Look at that. Get the dandies. They're the easy ones because they're all hot glued on. They're just a hot glued mess. Glue. How'd I do that? Oh, I hit the button down there. All right. Almost got it. Oh, let's see here. There it is. Okay. So this could be pretty cool if we came up with something for this one because we could put these in the eyes or something like that. Now you'll be able to see them. Ready? Okay. Little LEDs there. And it actually, it moves to the song. Okay. We put it on the arms. Okay, we got it there. That's enough. Right. So I'm going to save this one. I have a little save area over here. Off camera, hopefully. Let's get the witch cat or cat witch or whatever this is. And we're going to just make a cool puppet out of them. Her, whatever. I don't know if it would be a him or a her. But getting my hand in, that's going to be the trick. Can I do it? I can do it. I don't know if I'll be able to remove it. Okay. All right. So there is one arm and two arms. Getting that arm on my thumb is going to be a trick. There it goes. Okay. Now. There we go. There it is. The witch cat. Witch cat. This cat. That's witch cat. Oh! Thank you, Bev Bergeron. That was a good Bev joke there. Let's see here. It was the witch doctor, I think it was. Witch doctor? That doctor. Whatever. There he is. The cat. The glove puppet. The arms. The whole thing. Everything worked just great. Hey, thanks very much for coming along. For those of you who've been with us before. For those of you who are new to the channel, please feel free to subscribe for all the updates. The updates are good. And, ready? This is it. See you next time. This is the DIY Magician. Bye-bye now. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.